This is so much fun unboxing with you to find what goodies are in here. I'm Pat Sloan and I am on unboxing number 4. Fat Quarter Shop sent me these amazing, darling boxes. They have new shipping containers, new shipping boxes that you can use for your projects to store them. And I've been walking right through and we're down to the green one. So creative. This is the 4th box, and what they did was give me a bunch of goodies. They said, we want to send you some goodies to play with. And so I've been opening them all. I'll have a link to 1 through 3 so you can take a look at them. But let's do number 4. This is great. If you can hear the mowing, it's because the shipping department is mowing. It's October. We've had so much rain, it's still mowing season. So let's take a look. Come on down here. It's fabulous. Fabulous, fabulous, the excitement. Each box is a different size, so it depends on what your order is, what box you're going to get. And, oh, very nice. I love, okay, I'll turn them around. Turn them around so they're facing you. So the Christmas editions, this is exciting. So this is For the Love of Quilting, and there are some fabulous, let's take a look, see what kind of fabulous things they've put in these issues. Look at that quilt. Oh, I really, look at that border fabric. Holy cow. But this quilt, stars, this is, who can go, you can't go wrong with stars. Let me just flip through. This is, oh, I like this one. Look at that table runner. I bet it's not hard either. And you only have to do what, a couple blocks, looks like 3 or 4 blocks, and they intersect. I love how they intersect. That is neat. So this has a lot of, smaller projects. There we go. I can see smaller projects. Super fun. Ooh, another table runner. There's a wintry. This is nice. It's sort of a wintry mix quilt. Okay, so we have another, I see Mccall's quick quilts. When I first started my business, I did so many quilts for the Mccall's magazine family. They're just like, oh, they're my heart. Look, right inside they have the cover here, so you can see what's in the issue. That's super nice. So you can just skim right here to begin with and go, okay, yeah, look at that. This looks like lattice work. That's pretty neat. I like this one. And the tree is super darling. So both of these issues, I'll put you links because they have lots of projects. There's a neat one. Night lights. So if you love purple, but you could do that in any color, right? Wouldn't that be pretty for any season? That's a really nice quilt. Oh, the big cake mixes for the layer cakes. Layer cakes are 10 by 10 squares. And these fabulous cake mix papers are made so that you can use a layer cake and just sew up the projects. They give you blocks by package, and then you can make, take 2 layer cakes and sew up blocks from them. But okay, we are so lucky. I am so lucky. Here it is. Whoops, the cake mix book. So Emma does amazing books. They create spirals. What's right? So look at the spiral. I love it because you can just open it up and turn it around like this for whatever you're doing. But the cake mix book is taking those layer cakes and doing all kinds of patterns with them. So here's all the different mixes, and then they've put patterns in here, so you don't have to make them up yourself. You can just go through here and find different layouts that you love. Ooh, nice. Pinwheels. Oh, this is it. This is my favorite. Oh my, I love that. I love this, kind of like a split star kind of effect. This is gorgeous. So, okay, this is the first one I'm gonna try. So what I have to do is find the cake mixes that go with it and sew on those. Now, I have not done the cake mixes, so this could be my first one. Now, I did get the smaller Charm Pack cake mixes in the other box, so that's fun too. I might do a small one and then do this one. Okay, there it is. That's my fave. I found it. And lucky me! I got layer cakes. Sweetwater, they're my favorite. I love everything they do. So I'm gonna open this up super quick so we can actually see, you know, like you can't see through plastic. Oh, there we go. We got navy. This is gorgeous. It's got some red in there, green, and this beautiful, beautiful blue. This sort of like China blue, isn't it? This is so pretty. Okay, so this will be it. Now they also sent me some layer cakes of solids, because when you do these patterns, here, you'd see you have a print and then the solid. I mean, you could do print to print, but you get a high contrast when you do it against solids. So let me just pick this up here, because I want to tell you about these layer cakes. I just noticed as I was opening it are not the regular size. These are what they call, see, there's two. There's two. They are called junior. Yeah, junior layer cakes, which means that they're smaller. They have half as many, what's it say on it? 20. There's 20 squares in here. I like that they come already made up, because in order to use the papers, it is nice to have these already pre-cut. I mean, it's a time saver. It's also fun. You know, you don't have to get out your big square and cut 10-inch squares of your solid fabric. I mean, you can, but you know, sometimes it's nice to, you know, get a head start on those things. So this has been incredible fun to do unboxing with you. I hope that you liked it. I'm Pat Sloan. You can visit me at Facebook at Quilt Along with Pat Sloan. Visit my website, patsloan.com. And I've been doing lots of short videos like this, so I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment. See you next time.